Hello, my dear students. I Rahul Mishra, and today we are going to discuss about neoprene rubber. So, what is neoprene rubber? So, neoprene it is a polymer of chloroprene. It is a polymer of chloroprene. It means when chloroprene polymerize, when n units of chloroprene polymerize, then it will form polychloroprene, and this polychloroprene is said to be neoprene. This polychloroprene is said to be neoprene. So what is chloroprene? So chloroprene is 2-chloro-1,3 butadiene. So write down it, 2-chloro-1,3 butadiene. So we can understand it from its structure also. So in this structure we can see there is 2-chloro and 1,3 position contain double bond, means diene. So listen, its IPAC name will be 2-chloro-1,3 butadiene. So this compound is also called as chloroprene. This compound is also called as chloroprene. So its polymer will be called as polychloroprene. If we have to if we have to find the monomer unit of polychloroprene, then we all know that the word poly is removed. It means monomer unit will be chloroprene. So this is the monomer unit of polychloroprene. So listen here, polychloroprene is oil and ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट रेजिस्टेंट. इट मीन्स ये ऑयल और ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट में सॉल्युबल नहीं होता है और उसको घुलने से रोकता है. इट मीन्स इट इज़ ऑयल एंड ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट रेजिस्टेंस. दैट इज वाई इट इज़ यूज्ड एज ऑयल सील. इसीलिए इसको ऑयल सील की तरह भी यूज किया जाता है. So its another use is it is used in making gaskets and belts. It is used in making gasket and belts. So listen here, there is some correction. So listen, in this polyisoprene, this is polychloroprene. This is polychloroprene. So listen here, how will you obtain polychloroprene from chloroprene? So listen, we all know that 2-methyl-1,3 butadiene is called as chloroprene. So when its n unit get polymerized, then it will form polychloroprene. So during reaction, double bond get shifted. So listen, double bond, if they get shifted, then double changes into single. And listen, after shifting, this bond goes here. So now listen, this single becomes double here. So listen, make it. Now this double again shifted. Now this double becomes single here. And listen, there will another bond and there will be another bond. Now listen, it means overall structure have some changes. Listen, double bond get changes into single and single get changes into double. So listen, This is the case you have earlier discussed in the previous lectures also. Now we will discuss some other type of polymer. First one is biodegradable. It means biodegradable means those polymer which may decompose to small non-toxic molecule by enzymes secreted by microbes are called as biodegradable polymer. It means ऐसे पॉलीमर जो कि एंजाइम के द्वारा छोटे छोटे नॉन टॉक्सिक मॉलिक्यूल्स में ब्रेक हो जाते हैं और धीरे धीरे वो अपघटित हो जाते हैं या डीकम्पोज हो जाते हैं, then that polymers are called as biodegradable polymer. For example, an important example of this type of polymer is used we are in our daily life. So listen, we are used it in our daily life as capsule cover. So capsule cover is made up of PHBV. This polymer is called as polyhydroxybutyrate valerate. So capsule cover, it means capsule cover is degraded or decomposes when it goes into our body. When it goes into our body by the body enzymes. It means जब हम कैप्सूल खाते हैं तो उसका जो कवर होता है that is a polymer and that polymer is a biodegradable because वो पॉलीमर या वो कैप्सूल का कवर हमारी बॉडी में जाकर हमारे बॉडी के एंजाइम से अपघटित हो जाता है या डिग्रेडेट हो जाता है. Then that PHBV is called as biodegradable polymer. Another example is PGA. It is called as polyglycolic acid. Next example is PLA, means polylactic acid. So listen here, an important thing is biodegradable polymer are also called as step growth or condensation polymer. It means जितने भी step growth या कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमर होते हैं then that polymer are generally we can say they may be biodegradable. It means कंडेंसेशन जिनको हम स्टेप ग्रोथ पॉलीमर भी कहते हैं ये बायोडिग्रेडेबल हो सकते हैं. सो नाउ next polymer is non-biodegradable. It means there are some other polymer which does not decompose to small non-toxic molecule by enzymes secreted by microbes are called as non-biodegradable polymer. It means कुछ ऐसे भी पॉलीमर हैं जो कि हमारी बॉडी के एंजाइम से या अदर एंजाइम से डिग्रेडेट नहीं हो पाते हैं then that polymer are called as non-biodegradable polymer. For example, polyethylene. We all know about polythene. So polythene never decomposes. जो पॉलीथीन होती है वो कभी डिकम्पोज नहीं होती है. आज जैसी है वैसे ही 1 साल बाद भी हमको वैसे ही मिल सकती है. It means this is non-biodegradable. Polystyrene, it is also not biodegradable. So both these are non-biodegradable polymer. So listen, an important thing is addition or chain growth. Addition polymer और chain growth, जिनको chain growth polymer भी कहा जाता है, are generally non-biodegradable. It means addition या chain growth polymer generally non-biodegradable होते हैं. So listen here, this is very important topic for your UP board examination. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable polymers. Now listen. So listen, our next topic is PHBV polymer. PHBV, as we have earlier studied, PHBV is a type of biodegradable polymer. So its complete name is polybeta hydroxybutyrate co-beta hydroxyvalerate. Polybeta hydroxybutyrate co-beta hydroxyvalerate. It is the complete name of PHBV. So it is obtained by the copolymerization. Co means heteropolymerization of 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and listen 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. It means first monomer unit is 3-hydroxybutanoic acid. Butanoic means there will be 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. And listen, second monomer unit is 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. Pentanoic means there will be 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means this is called as 3-hydroxybutanoic acid. This is called as 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. So when they get condensation polymerization, they will undergo कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमराइजेशन. इट मीन्स जब ये दोनों ही मोनोमर कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमराइजेशन में जाएंगे, देन वी ऑल नो दैट ड्यूरिंग कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमराइजेशन देयर विल बी रिमूवल ऑफ स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल लाइक वाटर मीन्स HOH मीन्स H2O or any other small molecule may also be leave, but here water is removed. So water means H and OH. So H जो है वो हमारा एक मोनोमर यूनिट से निकलेगा और दूसरी मोनोमर यूनिट से निकलेगा OH. So listen, अगर एक एक मॉलिक्यूल से HOH निकलता तो H2O निकलेगा. But listen, here N molecules are taken. It means NH2O will be removed. बट लिसन, H2O हमारे NH2O यहाँ से निकलेंगे, NH यहाँ से, NOH यहाँ से. इट मीन्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ H2O रिमूव विल बी 2NH2O. इट मीन्स यहाँ से कितने H2O निकलेंगे? 2NH2O. सो ड्यूरिंग कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमराइजेशन 2NH2O विल गेट रिमूव्ड. सो लिसन, बॉन्डिंग विल बी H हट गया. इट मीन्स सिंगल बॉन्ड O, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2 CH3, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2, सिंगल बॉन्ड CO, सिंगल बॉन्ड, ये आपका कार्बन डायरेक्ट जुड़ जाएगा इस ऑक्सीजन से. इट मीन्स सिंगल बॉन्ड O, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2 CH3, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2, सिंगल बॉन्ड CO. एंड लिसन, here there will be whole of N. There will be whole of N. So write down here, there will be whole of N. It is missing here, so write down. Now listen, what are the use of PHBV in making capsules, as we have earlier discussed, and in making medical instrument also. It means इसका यूज कैप्सूल और मेडिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बनाने में किया जाता है. Now we will discuss some other type of polymer, and listen, it is PGA. PGA means polyglycolic acid. So when glycolic acid get polymerized, then it will form polyglycolic acid. So its formula is very simple. All of you know about acetic acid. Acetic acid is what? CH3COOH. This is the formula of acetic acid. But listen, when one hydrogen of acetic acid is removed, अगर एक हाइड्रोजन मीन्स 3 यहाँ पर थे, एक हटा दिया तो बचे 2. एंड लिसन, 1 हाइड्रोजन इज रिप्लेस्ड, अगर एक हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस कर दे किससे? 1 OH से, देन इट विल फॉर्म ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड. तब क्या बन जाता है हमारा? ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड. इट मीन्स इट्स फार्मूला विल बी HO CH2COOH. So listen, HOCH2COOH is the formula of glycolic acid. So when it will polymerize, then listen, this is condensation polymerization. H and OH get removed, so NH2O get removed, so it will form PGA. It is a type of biodegradable polymer. Now listen, next polymer is PLA. PLA means polylactic acid. So what is polylactic acid? We all know that the formula of lactic acid. So lactic acid is COOH, single bond CH, single bond CH3, single bond OH. It means ये भी हमारा एसिटिक एसिड का डेरिवेटिव है. So simply we can say acetic acid is CH3COOH. But listen, in this case two hydrogens get removed. First is replaced by OH and second hydrogen of this carbon is replaced by CH3 group. So listen, we will get lactic acid. So listen, you have to learn the formula of acetic acid, and both these are the derivatives of acetic acid. In this case, one H is replaced by one OH, but in this case, one H is replaced by one OH, but one H is again replaced by CH3 group or methyl group. So listen, when n units of lactic acid get polymerized, then it will form polylactic acid. There will be removal of NH2O because this is condensation polymerization. So one H and one OH will get removed and it will form PLA, means polylactic acid. This is also a type of biodegradable polymer.